Following numerous reports of interference by government officers and politicians, KTDA seeks to provide clarification on the matter. It has been noted with concern that management of small tea factories has experienced a lot of interference from some government officers and politicians. Some of the notable instances of interference experienced by KTDA are as follows. One is removal of reserve price by the Ministry of Agriculture without consultation with KTDA directors, leading to plummeting of tea prices at the Mombasa tea auction. Two, making pronouncements by the agriculture PS on separation of satellite factories from mother factories without considering the property interest of farmers. Three is calling on impromptu meetings with factory directors by government agencies of which the cost is owned by the farmers. Four, direct interference on board disputes at the Michi Miguru Tea Factory Company and purported suspension of directors by agriculture PS. Interference with the judicial process by making pronouncements on Michi Miguru directorship contrary to court ruling. On this particular one, on June 29, 2024, the factory shareholders held a transparent and democratic election, resulting in the appointment of a duly elected board of directors. However, in the ensuing months, a section of shareholders expressed dissatisfaction with the election outcome, leading to purported revision of a special general meeting, which resulted in election of the purported board. This request came after the annual general meeting, slotted for 6th December 2024, was disrupted and was unable to proceed. The Registrar of Companies has since granted an extension for 90 days. We urge the Registrar to respect the court order. Prior to the poached AGM, the PS for Agriculture, accompanied by the local MP without notifying the factory board, visited Michi Miguru and made a declaration that the board stands suspended. This was contrary to the clear provisions of the Company Act. The factory board, prior to that announcement, was not given an opportunity to be heard contrary to the rules of natural justice. It is worth noting that officers of the National Police Service aided the convening of an illegal meeting, and the same officers could not contain violence organized by the conveners of the illegal meeting in the annual general meeting in December 2024. As an organization committed to the rule of law, we sought the intervention of the court. The court issued an injunction staying the implementation of any resolution passed in the subject meeting, which was scheduled for the 10th January 2025. All the matters of the legality of the said meeting and its resolutions are pending in court, and we are not at liberty to discuss them at this point. Effect on interference on the market. We have noted that whenever there is a negative publicity in the media, there is a direct impact on absorption of teas by our international buyers. Several tea factories have experienced low absorption of teas in the market due to the rankles and political interferences. This has an adverse effect on earnings of our farmers. We plead with all stakeholders to keep off from interfering with the boards elected by the farmers. Any matter of concern can still be handled through dialogue. KTDA remains committed to transparency. We understand that these developments have caused confusion and concern among the public and stakeholders in the tea industry. We would like to reassure all parties that the resolution of this matter will be guided by the legal and corporate governance frameworks in place. As an organization, we remain committed to transparency, accountability, and adherence to legal procedures. We ask for patience as the matter progresses through the appropriate legal channels. In the meantime, the current board and management will continue to serve the interests of our shareholders, employees, and the public. We will provide updates as situations unfold and remain dedicated to resolving this matter in full compliance. And we are seeking appointment with His Excellency the President so that we can also share our concerns.